Hi friends, how are you all? In our previous videos, we are monitoring about the single print zones. Today also we'll discuss about the single print zones, and with volume profile, we'll see how this plays a very important role in market profile. Before going to the topic, we'll see the description. Now coming to the topic, here we can see the single print zone which has been present. This area what we will see here is a very important area. Whenever the price comes near this single pin zone, we will see some rejection. See here, the price is trading over here, and we got a rejection here. Exactly here you can see this place, like this single prints plays very important role. And here also you can see the price coming from top, but here we didn't see too much sell. The selling has been stopped. We can see here in this area. See, if you go sell, the movement will be slow. If you go buy, here the movement will be slow. It won't break in for most of the time. These single print zones won't break. If it want to break, it will break immediately. It won't take time like this. Whenever the price coming, I am playing this near the single print zones, the movement will be slow. Here we can see another single print zone on this day. Here we can see the single print zone here. 2 days it got a support here. You can see here in this place. So this single print is also important for trading. See, day before yesterday the market fall. See how the market fall from there, and it exactly stopped near the single print zone. You can see here how it has been stopped. Like this, single print zones plays very important role in market profile, and you don't need to purchase the market profile. Yes, you don't need to purchase because it's waste. You can find the single print zones in candlestick pattern itself. We'll go now to monitor. Again here you can see exactly near the single print zones we are getting the rejection. Like this single print zones plays very important. We'll go for the candlestick pattern. Here we can see this is the place we were monitoring from past 2 weeks. In our previous videos we can study how the single prints of this 13th March single print zones plays very important role, right? See exactly near the single print zones what happened, we check it now from past 2 weeks. I think from past 2 weeks till here we have completed in our last video, and this is the day we got a positive open, and while falling we can see this is the single print zone, another single print zone. Single print zones is nothing but the gap between the 30 minutes bar. You can see from this candle to this candle there is no other candles. So this gap we will call it as single print zone. Okay, exactly here we will see in 5-minute chart. We were monitoring this area. Okay, in our last video we just saw this area how it has been defended. See, whenever the price comes and the momentum slows near the single prints, you can see them of rejection from here. You can see same like this here also same thing happened. This day the price opened here above this single print zone, and it has been keep on falling. See, the movement was good. While going here the movement has been dropped, you can see, and we got a rejection from here to there. This is very best example of the single print zone, and here you can see the movement was fast. The price has not been stable here, or it has not been stopped. We saw quick rejection. In the quick rejection we should not go for buy here, we should wait. Okay, and on this day we can see the same single print zone, another level is also important, right? See, on this day we can see this single print zone from here to there. some gap was present. Okay, you can see in 30 minutes bar chart. Same single print zone again came to existence. You can see this day exactly the price stopped near the single print zone. You can see here how it has been stopped. The price opened negative for the single print zone, and while going there it has been stopped. You can see here out of stopping we got a rejection from there. But coming to this place, you can see the price has been with moment, the price has been closed above this. You can see at that time we can't see the quick rejection. This is the main thing we want to know in this single print zones. In this area also we can see in this single print line here buying also will get failed. Yes, we saw negative open, and this is a main line we are monitoring from past 1 month, I think so. This line is very important because whenever the price goes here we can see the quick rejection. See here also we can see the quick rejection. Like this, the single prints plays very important role in market profile, but don't go and purchase the market profile because it is waste, because you don't need the market profile at all. Now we will go for we'll see another example. This one we have another single print zone. We'll go for 30-minute chart, 30 minutes bar chart, and we will see we can see the gap between the bars. We will call it as gap between the bars. You can see from here, see from this candle to this place we have a single print zone. Okay, this is another best example. You can see in 5 minutes exactly from there the price has been stopped. See, the price stopped here and we got a rejection. You can see like this single print plays very important role, guys. Now we will see the volume profile chart, how the volume profile also is important in market profile. See, this is volume profile chart. I've framed it for 5 minutes. This was a big movement day, means you can see the day. I'll delete all these lines. We can see this movement. When we saw this big movement, some activity will be happened, right? We'll see where the activity has been happened. See, this is the main most largest volume has been happened on this day. We'll mark the place. See, this is the zone. You can see the zone. This was a zone. See exactly there how the price has been defined. We can see like this volume profile also plays very important role. And again here you can see another volume. You can see here this place where most of the quantity has been traded in this place. Exactly from there, the next day we got a rejection. You can see exactly from there we got a rejection, and we'll see same single prints here. Next day, the next day of this we can mark this place. Same area has been rejected yesterday. You can see like this. Volume profile also will play a very important role. Whenever the movement has been stopped, we can see the rejection from there. So this is the best example, guys. Today we learned the single print zones and volume profile. So don't miss to subscribe so that you won't miss any further videos. And thank you guys for watching the video. Take care. Bye.